Welcome back to WIX Fix. Today I'm going to be covering how to copy element styles and paste them to other elements on the website in Editor X. Let's jump right in. In the current editor, you have to edit one, and then if you want to have that same style, you basically have to either remake it, or you can click on the saved version up top, but it's not going to completely copy the sizing and everything like that. In Editor X, all you have to do is right click, select at the very bottom, copy element design, and then select from all breakpoints. Now your mouse will become like this little paintbrush thing, and you can just click another button on the page and it'll automatically change into that design. One cool feature is you can do this on any pages. So let's say I'm on the home page and I have a button on my about page. I can copy the element design from the home page, switch over to the about page, and paste it there. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching this WIX quick tip. If you did enjoy or learn something from this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more Editor X and WIX tutorials coming soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.